Hello and welcome to my another video. So today I will show you how to make this rocket ship.
Rocket ship.
So let's get started on the materials we need to make this. We need pencil, scale, glue, this glue and the white glue as well, and scissors also. So first I will take this toilet paper empty roll for this, and I have already cut according to its measurement. This length is 10 centimeters, like 10 centimeters is the length of this toilet paper empty roll, and I have already cut this green sheet of paper to cover this. So the size of this is 17 by 10.5 centimeters. As you can see, I have written it. So just with the help of glue we need to stick it. We need to cover the roll. Just put some glue on one side, on any one side, and just take it with your hand like this. In the bottom of this rocket ship we will take 0.5 centimeters extra. When it's done, I will tell you why I have taken this, and it will be easy for you to understand also when you see the whole look of it. So when I apply glue and just paste it well, and it's sticked, so it's done. Next what we have to do is we have to cut for the side things. So the size of this is size of this is 3.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters. It's a square shape. So with the help of pencil, what I can do is can just make it like this, because it will be in a curved position, and we can cut 4 of them together. And we can leave the extra part because we don't need the extra part. We just cut it. That's waste for us. Leave it aside. And then with the help of scissors we need to cut 4 points from here. So take a pencil with you and just mark 4 points, 2 opposite points from here. 1 and 2, and 2 opposite points from the other side. That means from all 4 sides we need to cut. And the length of this will be 3 centimeters. So with the help of scale, just take a ruler and just mark 3 centimeters. So with here I have to cut till here. So on all 4 sides just mark. Let's start with one at a time, okay? just take it and just do it like this. So till 3 centimeters.
Like cut it?
Yeah, just cut it. And take the opposite side, mark 3 centimeters.
Ping, ping, ping,
And just with the help of scissors, just cut the opposite side. Here is my daughter and she's making a noise to let you all know that she is here with me. So just mark here also the same thing, 3 centimeters, and on the opposite side we'll mark now. Just cut it through to till 3 centimeters.
Like cutting?
Yeah, son. And take the opposite side and just cut it till 3 centimeters. It's done. Now what you have to do, we have to like just take this thing inside this. It should be like this. And it will stick it there. No need to paste or anything like that. It will stick. When you put it inside, it will stick automatically.
Yeah, it will stick there.
So then take another one.
Potato. Sharing my mom.
So just take it with your hand like this and just stick it, and it will just stick it. No need to do anything, like no need to glue or tape or anything. Just take 4 of them and just one by one just put it inside it. And as you can see that we are done with this part already. So it's looking like this, right?
Yes, it's looking like that.
So now the top one part. Now I have to do the top one part. It's looking like this, and when I am standing it, it's like this. So the top one part, the cone part will now come, and I have taken the diameter of this is 13 centimeters. So I have already cut in the middle. Take the middle part and just cut till the middle of it, and we need to stick it to make a cone of it and to stick it on top of it. So just take on any one here or here, it's up to you. I'm taking one of this. Just put glue here.
And scale.
And just stick it like this. Stick it well. I have to, yeah, more. We can always check also, like when we are making, we can check by keeping it on top of it. Please not go. Just we can keep it like this and we can see that it's working fine for us, right? So we can stop here by folding it, and we can just stick it well. Stick it with your hand and press it well, and it's done. Now when we have to put it on top of it, we need glue for this, white glue. We just take white glue with you. Oh, it has come out. No problem with that. We can just stick, we can just push it inside. So with the help of this white glue, just put on top of this. and you can just do it like this. Put it like this steadily, push it and press it, and it's almost done. And with the help of a marker we can just put 2 dots or like this to make it look like an actual rocket ship. So take a marker with the help of a marker, just make 2 dots. Like this. The whole thing you can do like this. You can also cut the blue sheet and stick it, but I like this, so I'm doing like this. It's up to you, whichever way suits you. When you follow the proper size and measurements, kids can also make it very easily. It's not so tough. Adults can help them with scissors part and so, but otherwise it's not so tough for kids to make for their school project or anything like that. Make it nice and proper circle, and it's done. As you can see, our rocket ship is ready. You can just press it because we have just put glue in it, so we need to press it and put it aside for some time to stick it. So as you can see, our rocket ship is made and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.